A figure watches from the shadows as children hesitantly follow a whispering voice into the night. Among the forgotten books, a glint of gold catches the eye, the cover of the Book of Night Shadows beckoning with an eerie allure. Fingers tracing aged pages, she unravels the sinister secrets hidden within the book, setting events into motion beyond her control. With each incantation spoken, the malevolent forces within the book stir, their presence growing stronger, threatening to consume all in their path. Together, they delve into the ancient sealing ritual, bracing themselves for the impending showdown with the darkness that looms ever closer. Laura stands at the center of the maelstrom, her will tested as she fights against the encroaching darkness, each breath a battle cry for salvation. In a final act of defiance, the ancient tome unleashes its full power, threatening to undo all that Laura has struggled to achieve. With resolve steeling her heart, she makes a fateful decision that will seal the town's fate for better or for worse. As whispers dissipate and shadows retreat, a sense of peace descends, though the echoes of sacrifice linger in the air, a reminder of the price paid for redemption. With the town's secrets buried once more, she walks away, forever changed by the harrowing journey into the heart of darkness.